Hi guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about Pluto. So let's begin. Pluto is a dark planet in the Kuiper belt, a ring of bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune. It was the first and the largest Kuiper belt object to be discovered. After Pluto was discovered in 1930, it was declared to be the ninth planet from the Sun. Beginning in the 1990s, its status as a planet was questioned following the discovery of several objects of similar size in the Kuiper belt and the scattered disk, including the dark planet Eris. This led the International Astronomical Union in 2006 to formally define the term planet, excluding Pluto and reclassifying it as a dark planet. Pluto is the ninth largest and 10th most massive known object directly orbiting the Sun. It is the largest non-trans-Neptunian object by volume but is less massive than Eris. Pluto is primarily made of ice and rock and is relatively small, 1/6 the mass of the Moon and 1/3 of its volume. It has a moderately eccentric and inclined orbit during which it ranges from 30 to 49 astronomical units from the Sun. This means that Pluto periodically comes closer to the Sun than Neptune, but a stable orbital resonance with Neptune prevents them from colliding. Light from the Sun takes 5.5 hours to reach Pluto at its average distance 39.5 astronomical units. Pluto has 5 known moons, Charon the largest with a diameter just over half that of Pluto, Styx, Nix, Kerberos and Hydra. Pluto and Charon are sometimes considered a binary system because the barycenter of their orbits does not lie within either body. The New Horizons spacecraft performed a flyby of Pluto on July 14, 2015, becoming the first and to date only spacecraft to do so. During its brief flyby, New Horizons made detailed measurements and observation of Pluto and its moons. In September 2016, astronomers announced that the reddish-brown cap of the North Pole of Charon is composed of tholins, organic macromolecules that may be ingredients for the emergence of life and produced from methane, nitrogen and other gases released from the atmosphere of Pluto and transferred 90,000 kilometers to the orbiting Moon. Pluto is about 1,400 miles or 2,380 km wide. Pluto orbits the Sun about 3.6 billion miles or 5.8 billion km away on average, about 40 times as far as Earth. A year on Pluto is 248 Earth years. A day on Pluto lasts 153 hours or about 6 Earth days. The discovery of Pluto's satellite Charon in 1978 enabled a determination of the mass of the Pluto-Charon system by the application of Newton's formulation of Kepler's third law. Observations of Pluto in occultation with Charon allowed scientists to establish Pluto's diameter more accurately, whereas the invention of adaptive optics allowed them to determine its shape more accurately. With less than 0.2 lunar masses, Pluto is much less massive than the terrestrial planets. The International Astronomical Union downgraded the status of Pluto to that of a dark planet because it did not meet the 3 criteria the International Astronomical Union uses to define a fully sized planet. The object formerly known as the planet Pluto was discovered on February 18, 1930 at the Lowell Observatory, Flagstaff, Arizona by astronomer Clyde William Tombaugh with contributions from William Henry Pickering. This period in astronomy was one of the intense planet hunting, and Pickering was a prolific planet predictor. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.